Hello and thank you for stopping by. Today I made roasted chicken. I used 1 kilogram chicken thighs. I washed, drained nicely, and I added two oils blend, which is canola and olive, 1.5 tablespoon. And I roasted the chicken for about, I would say, 15 minutes nicely on a medium heat. And once I could see that it is roasted and I could smell, I added 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon black pepper. As you know, I love these herbs. And 1 tablespoon I added Greek seasoning. This is a really good Greek seasoning. 1 tablespoon of my favorite herb, which is basil. And the best part in this cooking is I use paprika. Now this paprika, let me just show you again. Again, these are roasted peppers, dried and grinded. 1.5 tablespoon of this. Today, because I ran out of fresh garlic, I had the dehydrated garlic. So I took those dehydrated garlic and I have, I don't know, in India it's called musli, or it's called grinder, I guess I can say. I crushed the garlic nicely and I added to the chicken. I've also added for the flavor, I could not find Thai chilies in market. So I bought these hot, long, I believe these are not banana peppers, but these are hot peppers. One of these for flavor. And I let it simmer on low heat again, less than about, I would say, 30 minutes on very slow. So this is how, when it got cooked, I turn off the heat and I let it simmer. Now, what happens is when you roast the chicken, because it's chicken thigh, the pieces fall apart. The skin comes out, so which is okay. My kids like the crunchiness. Now, to have vegetables with that, I have a frozen bag. I bought actually two of these. This was on sale, 2 kilogram. I bought two of these bags. It's got the peas and the carrots. These are frozen. And this is how it looks like. I took about one big katori or one big bowl. I boiled in a regular water for about, let's say, 7 minutes. I drained it nicely. Once it was drained, I added again the same canola and olive oil, about 1 teaspoon. And I added pepper, of course, my oregano, my parsley, and basil. I do not do anything without basil. And I added Indian chilies just to bring out the flavor. And this is how it looks like. Like as I said, I did not have time to get fresh vegetables, and these are the vegetables to be eaten with this roasted chicken. Now my kids are on diet, so they do not eat bread at the moment or rice. And of course, you know, I'm vegetarian, so I will be eating something else. Maybe I'll make some chicken stew or vegetable soup to go with that. Okay, thank you for stopping by and have a great day.